Pull the battery pack under the vehicle. Align the screw holes. Slowly lower the vehicle until the battery pack and chassis are properly aligned. Begin installing the screws. Begin installing the battery pack accessories, including the battery pack's high voltage connector, coolant hoses, and ground wire. Now installing the connectors. Important note during installation: if the high voltage connectors are not fully seated, power will not be supplied, and a high voltage interlock fault will be reported. Battery pack installation complete. Use a paint marker to mark the mounting screws on the battery pack that has already been installed. Lower the vehicle. Install the low voltage battery negative terminal. Add coolant to the battery pack. Use the THINKCAR device to drain the coolant. Select Vehicle Control, enter the system, then select Special Functions. Start the water hump drain. Follow the on-screen prompts. Wait for the progress bar to complete. Drain complete. Power up the vehicle. Ready for road testing.